Hi, so we are here now on this Friendship Bridge, which is basically connecting this Friendship Arc to that Vladimir Park. That is basically a hilly area, and this bridge actually reminds me of there is a very famous structure called Golden Hands in Da Nang, Vietnam. It is a very popular spot, and it provides a very good view of the city and the Dnipro river. So let's go and see what kind of views it is going to offer us, और यहाँ से इटली का एरिया कैसा दिखाई देता है. Let's go, come on. So just 5 minutes walking distance, we have this beautiful Volodymyr Hill Park. I highly recommend anyone visiting Independence Square to come to this park to enjoy the real beauty of nature. Basically, छोटा सा एक park area है. It is kind of on hill, and you can see so much greenery. और पार्क के इस साइड में you have this viewpoint from where you can have a gorgeous view of the city and the river. One of the famous monuments called Friendship of Nations Arc is also visible from this park. So वहाँ मेरे background में you can see the Friendship Arc of the Nations. This was basically constructed in the year 1982. So this was basically a symbol of unification between Ukraine and Soviet Unions, which was at that point of time called as USSR. So it also marks the 1500th anniversary of Kyiv and 60th anniversary of USSR. So Friendship of Nations Arc is walking distance from the Independence Square. In fact, अगर आप इस point से देखेंगे, so it is quite visible. और आर्क के एकदम पास में ही ये एक व्यू पॉइंट है जहाँ से कि आप एक पैनोरामिक व्यू ले सकते हैं ऑफ द सिटी एंड द दनाइपर रिवर। guys, मेरे पीछे है Friendship Bridge, which basically connects the Friendship Arc and the Volodymyr hill. Just behind me, you can see that green hill behind me. And basically, this bridge was opened in May 2019, and it offers a spectacular view of the city and the Dnieper river. Hope I'm saying it correctly. So basically, it's a somebody just photobombed. So great place. I think spectacular vibe. They just opened this bridge. There was some agitation going on, so there was a lot of police deployed here. So they were not allowing anybody to go on this bridge because of that agitation. And now they've just opened it, and you can see how many people have just flocked in. So yeah, it's pretty fascinating. Let's go and check how the view looks from this bridge. So this colored strip is basically the cycle track, and both sides you can see the glass railings. Wow, look at this view. It's worth coming here. A perfect spot to witness the beauty and charm of this city and the river. I'm scared of heights, so I probably not go on the glass one, the glass structure. But then people are standing there. This is the observation deck from where you can have a beautiful view of the city. See how many people are there. Almost everyone is without mask. It's actually a very great feeling. You feel like as if you have gone to the pre-COVID era. This is the end of the Friendship Bridge point, and from here we'll enter to the Volodymyr Park area. Let's go and see what do we have here. It's a nice fountain area. I really love this seating arrangement here. The city of Kyiv has got so many parks, and almost every park you have lots of benches to sit. So if you're coming to this area, in the park area or even to the Friendship Park, you'll find these kind of small outlets selling coffee, lemonade, ice creams and all. Please do visit, because these are very refreshing one, especially the lemonade I tried. So the park opened towards the Andreyevsky's Descent, which is a commercial area near the St. Andrew's Cathedral. This street basically connects the upper neighborhood of Kyiv city to the commercial hub of Podil neighborhood. So we will end this episode here now. In the next episode, we will have an interesting experience of having wine which is made of cherry. So stay tuned and stay connected.